Welcome to your brown spot corrector day and night routine. Whether you're 16 or 60, this one's going to be your best friend. Why? Because with a powerhouse of ingredients like QT-Pure, niacinamide and salicylic acid, yes, we warmed up to it, 1% only, this one's going to keep whiteheads, blackheads at bay, correct pimple marks, pimple spots, lighten pigmentation, also lighten age-related spots. How do you use this? Well, this one's an easy peasy application. It comes with a roller. So every time that pimple pops up, just apply in a circular motion on that pimple. Or a brown spot, like I have this mole coming on my neck, which is age-related. You could even apply it to any other brown spots you're getting on your hands or body. For those with pigmentation, apply it in a circular manner upwards all over every night on your pigmentation. For those with pimple marks and uneven skin tone, you can apply it on that stubborn cyst that left you that real bad brown spot. You could also use this all over your nose like this in a circular motion. The roller really does everything it's supposed to, and your chin to eliminate whiteheads and blackheads if you have a combination or oily skin type and this T-zone troubles you much. This one's going to be your best friend, my friend. Happy pampering!